Hey everyone, this is Don from Tech Advisor, and I'm here at Gamescom 2019, where Dell and Alienware have just launched a whole range of new things. One of the ones I wanted to pick out was this new keyboard, only because it really caught my eye, because it's just like a keyboard we just looked at the other day on the channel, which was the Logitech G815 and its wireless brother, the G915. So what you'll see, just like those, is this is a low-profile mechanical switch keyboard, which I personally absolutely love. I've also been using the Hexgears Venture at my desk for a while. We haven't had a video on that. It's the same thing, low-profile mechanical. So you get this slim design. It's really sort of doesn't take up a lot of space. Great if you need to travel with it, or if you just like that low feel. I also find it great because I'm so used to typing on laptops, and this feels a lot like that if I need to work on it or type. But because it's still got that sort of mechanical clickiness, clacketiness to it, it also means it's got great responsiveness for gaming. This is using Cherry MX Red low-profile switches, so you're still going to get that great kind of like cherry red feel if that's what you're used to, but much slimmer feel means you can type much more quickly, and you get a lot of responsiveness because of the lower travel distance. You'll also see, otherwise, this is just that nice Alienware Legend aesthetic that has got introduced at CES with the Area 51M and is now finally expanding through all the rest of the product line. So you've got that nice kind of like vent design they've been doing along a lot of the products. Kind of looks like the exhaust port on a spaceship. Obviously, RGB lighting, perky, 16.8 million colors, all that kind of stuff. Over the back, pretty simple. We've just got sort of two heights of foot to choose from, rubber S. Otherwise, pretty standard. We'll see it's wired. There's no wireless option, but you are getting some USB pass-through at least, which is always nice. It's going to be out basically almost immediately. It's £150 in the UK. I don't have pricing right now for other markets, but I'm sure it's going to be about that. In terms of where that sits, like the Logitech G815, the wired version of the Logitech keyboard, that's $169. So this is actually undercutting Logitech a little bit, which is maybe not what you'd normally expect to see Alienware, to be honest. But yeah, I really like this. I'm really keen to see more of these come in. Obviously, it's still expensive for a keyboard, even for a gaming keyboard, even for a high-end gaming RGB keyboard. It's a lot of money. But man, it looks lovely. And yeah, I want one.